What is going on, guys? It's another day. We got new wheels for the AU. We got some Rotor somethings, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna fit those today because the wheels are on the front of the Koon anyway. The standard 17s. They're not mine. They're not my wheels. So today we'll be replacing these with my new wheels with some Bridgestone RE3s I just had laying around. So these are the new wheels. So today we'll be fitting these to the front of the Falcon. These will be my steer tyres, such and such, for the AU, because obviously the tyres that are on the front of the car at the moment are not mine. I have to give those back to the owner that I got the car off. Hang one of them, but yeah. So I got those, and then we've got the party wheels for the back, the 15s. These beautiful things on the back. That'll do for now. But basically, now I'll be here doing this. And yeah, I got a spy just up there. A nice little spy. So today it's a fresh day. Didn't film anything else last night because it just got too dark and there wasn't enough light, and I had a few things to do and not enough time to film. I just couldn't be fucked filming, so I didn't end up filming. But today, going up to a spot, and when this thing decides to start, we'll show you the new wheels that are now on the Falcon. So that's the new look on the Falcon. I'm loving it. I like the new wheels, and I think I need to find another two to chuck on the rear while I just cruise around in this thing and leave the 15s for party wheels. That's what I'm thinking. But yeah, so if you enjoy this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you get notified when I post again, because I'm going to be posting more. We've got a lot of stuff coming up. There's drifting back in Tassie now, so yeah, keep your eyes peeled and there will be content coming soon. Alright, peace, bye.